Hi, once again, I'm back, Kaushik Chatterjee. In this video, again, we are going to discuss the series of mutual fund as we are already discussing. So, same thing we are going to discuss, and here we are going to discuss another even different even topic that is all about your types of mutual funds. So as an investor, when I'm going to invest in market, when I'm going to invest in mutual fund especially, so as you know, this is definitely when it's subject to your market risk. So I need to choose even wisely. If I'm going to even do any kind of mistake, so I'm going to lose my fund, I'm going to lose my money. So on keeping everything on your mind, so I need to be very careful. Though I have to check with my financial consultant, I have to check with my financial advisors, but yes, end of the day it is all your decision, so you have to take wisely to take the decision. And before that, I need to understand what types of mutual funds are available in the market, or let's say the companies or the MC asset management companies are offering. So very popular topic, and most of the people already investing in the market, they are already investing regularly, so they will be knowing even all about this. But yes, if I'm going to invest even first time, if I'm going to be in the market even first time, if I'm going to invest in mutual fund especially, so what type of funds I need to choose? So very important. First and foremost, if you know, most of the people even they will be investing, and very popular fund, this is all about your equity fund. So what is equity fund basically? By name itself, I think most of the people, even those who are already been investing in the directly in the share markets, when they are playing with the market, so they will be knowing what exactly the equity fund. So when I'm talking about equity fund, especially when I'm choosing a types of fund option in mutual fund, so the first and foremost thing it is coming equity, and equity means yes, it is all going to be invested in the shares. It is all going to be invested, let's say uh, in the market, in maybe in Indian market, maybe in foreign market, maybe in the big companies. So all the equities, all the shares, if I'm going to invest in this fund, so I'm going to be a part of these shares. I'm going to be the part of the ownership of the company. So equity fund, again, if you look out, yes, quite risk. And people, let's say somebody is looking for an immediate return, or maybe even a higher returns they are expecting. Even on a shorter note also, if somebody is looking a huge money, so that also can be possible, and you can choose this kind of fund. But yes, again, there could be even risk. It all depends on how you're going to choose your fund, how you're going to even take your risk. But yes, again, it is going to be all invested, as I told you, in the Indian market or maybe in the foreign market. Again, Indian market, again, you know, there will be a guidelines even followed by the SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India, which already we have discussed about this regulatory body even earlier. You can go and watch this SCBI video, and then you can come back to this video so that you will be able to understand. So now, as per guidelines, what I need to follow, that I am following. Now choosing even the equity fund, again, if I look out, so most of my money, even like my 100%, whatever I'm going to invest, if I'm choosing, let's say, in equity market, I mean 100% of my investment, so entire my 100% of my money, if I have invested, let's say, 1 lakh, if I have invested, let's say, 10 lakhs, if I invested, let's say, once year also, the entire money it will be invested through a fund managers. When, as you already we have discussed, that will be invested in this equity fund itself. The bigger company, even as I told you, in the Indian market or maybe in the foreign market. But yes, chances of losing money also high. Chances of getting money also it is very high. Again, if I look out and if I take what type of people should invest in this fund, so as I told you, as I suggested, so end of the day it is all your decision. I can only suggest you with my all 19 years experience what I have gathered. So with that same experience, if I share you, yes, somebody is looking for a shorter time, a huge money, or maybe somebody is looking to invest even a huge money, even a lump sum amount of money, and they are looking, let's say, huge returns, they can take even that kind of risk. So for those kind of people, even it will be, maybe it will be suitable. I cannot say it will be, definitely it will be suitable, but yes, again, it depends on you itself, as I told you, because end of the day it is your money. Now again in equity market, if I look out, there will be also even certain types of, it is not like one shot you are just investing and you are just going to take the entire risk. There also even you have another even types of options. So what are the types of options that we are going to discuss even later? But yes, equity market is very popular in mutual fund investment, and somebody is already invested, somebody is going to invest. For them, I think, to understand about the equity market, how to invest, what to invest, what kind of risk I can take, how long even I should invest, as we have discussed in this video, I think this is very, very important. Even somebody is going to invest or somebody already invested, to understand this fund. Thanks for watching.